Yes, sir. We back, chat. Let me make sure I got a lighter. Oh, all right. We got the Infiniti G37 2012. 134,000 miles on this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie right now. Car need a little bit of work, so I ain't gonna go too crazy. You feel me? Like, cause we need this bad boy for the summertime. Summertime is coming. Feel me? Summertime coming. Summertime fine wine. It's kinda hot. I just put some gas in this motherfucker. Let the sunroof open a little bit. Hold on, chat. You can't see what I be having in my notes, cause I be on some No, I'm just really chat right now, cause I'm just trying to control y'all until I get to where I gotta go. And I'm gonna buy you what you want. Let's go Chanel crazy. Hold on. They got, who this? Who rapping? Who rapping on the beat? But I'm still emotional. Bag on me. Shit heavy, you boys ain't got no motion. So bro, play it smart. I got the waves like an ocean. They be watching on a pod, but I'm locked in and focused. If you broke, stop complaining and go get some motion. Told my jeweler flood the piece. Nah, we got the Infiniti G37X. This is a regular, feel me? Regular, degular, schmegular. We don't want to show that. But I ain't showing this either. Chat. Yo, I'm keeping that in the video. We ain't doing that, chat. We ain't doing this either, chat. You wildin'. We ain't doing that.
I ain't beefing about no chick, she for the bros. I've been thumbing so much paper, now I got a blister. Got him cause I went and tell him take the fucking picture. Every play I work for size like a fucking picture. So much you don't need it clear.
Make it a richer. It won't zip up. I had to get up. I won't pick up. I gotta drop down in the comment section if y'all know what this problem is. Why is it shaking like this? I don't know if it's the wheel hub or a CV axle, or it need a wheel alignment. I don't think it's a wheel alignment. matter. If you fall, be proud to be.
My homie son didn't know that he ain't around to see. The baby mama too cold when he ain't want to see. I hold it down for my young niggas father's work. If you're a father, be proud to be. My homie son didn't know that he ain't around to see. The baby mama too cold when he ain't want to see. I hold it down for my young niggas father's work.
Like father, like son, like son, like father. We ain't saying anything, but we doing it. Like father, like son, like son, like father. It's a calm drive today, chat. It's no crazy. I'm not cutting up. This is just calm cruising vibes. Yeah, I got the blunt. It don't matter. I'm vibing before I go Grinch.
I done seen some scammers go get rich off of a builder. I done seen my time turn the dealer to a user. Cut him off, he ain't stab me in my back, but brother, two words.
Oh, I can't play this definitely again. Let me check. I can't play that song. Let's go crazy. I'm bipping through this. Let's go. Tell again. Let's go band for band. I feel like Jackie Chan. I'm on the plane with my plug. You like Jackie Chan. Movie store. I'm about to throw a fit. They be smoking shit. It's fake mad traffic. I think I'm gonna cut this part out, bro. Cause what the freak? I'm happy I left out early. Oh, that shit on fire. What the? Nah, what? Bro, that shit is on fire. I'm recording that, gang. Yo, it's always viral. Yo, what? Nah, gang. It's always something, gang. You can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this shit up. Let me put that shit away. Let me put my seatbelt on. Hold on, chat. This shit's on fire, gang. Shit is literally on fire. I'm about to put that bitch out. Damn, I can't even see it. Damn. Yo, what? While I'm doing a POV, it's crazy. It's a minivan. It's not even hot outside. Nah, yeah, rats is eating them wires. I ain't gonna lie. The rats is eating them wires. There's no way. That's why the traffic like that right here. Last night I fell asleep with the money counter in my lap. Yo, it's mad smoke, gang. I can't smell it, but nigga start directing traffic. Who he think he is? How you letting them go over there and it's a green light right here? Oh, it must be a green light right there too. Damn, people that's trying to go over there gotta go over there now. Like, it's crazy. Ah, in a G. Got half a tank of gas. I'm gonna do this little 30-minute POV. And then, yeah. Hopefully I can put this in a thumbnail. Yeah, I gotta work this thumbnail, y'all. This is content. This is real life content. This ain't no fake. This ain't no script. We throwing real life shit. I don't know why I just got amped up off that. It's crazy, right? Three fire trucks. Damn, they put that bit out fast as cells. No more smoking in here. Nah, come on. Green light us. Why you ain't let us go? What? Like. Last night fell asleep with the money counter in my lap. I gotta work out today, man. This sun all in my damn face, bro. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I'm closing that thing. It's in the way. I wanna turn the AC on, but it's not that hot outside right now. It's like mid outside right now. Alright, put the GPS up there. If you got an Infiniti, drop down in the comment section. What's your best feature you think the Infiniti have, or the best customization you did, or anything internally? Who car is this? What a person who car it is. Nobody was in the car, thank you God. He probably saw that bitch smoking. Like, yo, the car on fire! Ah! Get up out that motherfucker. Probably over there standing by the gas station, most likely though. Alright, nah, that's two cops. Yeah, I don't see the person who car it is. They put that bitch. Oh, he right there. Spanish old dude. He was on his way to work. He not going to work today. He got to be like, yo, I gotta call out. My car got on fire. It's a fire. It's a fire. If my car on fire, I'm not going to work either. I'm suing. I don't know who, but I'm suing. I gotta get a lawsuit. Nah, let me stop trolling, chat. Where we going? We 27 minutes away. That's first thing first. I just do these POVs on the way to where I'm going. Like, one thing about me, like, I'm going outside, I gotta make some money. I get in that car, I gotta make some money. So, it's the only thing that makes sense to me. I'm gonna drop it probably same day. No cap. I think I'm gonna have time by the time I get to where I'm going. So I'm gonna have like 30 minutes to edit real quick. And I'm gonna post. Simple as that. Y'all know how this go, chat. Last night I fell asleep with the money counter in my lap. Alright, I'm gonna stop saying that. You can't really listen to music like that because everything get copyrighted. Who calling me? I don't want to speak to you. I'm busy. I'm busy right now. Distracting me. Yeah. Distracting me.
Youngest barely get to live.
Streets raising niggas
kids
when they coming from where I'm from.
Some be taking shit for granted till there's nothing left to give when you coming from where I'm from. Look, everything ain't what it seems.
It's the only song I could play. It's like the only song I could play and not get copyrighted. I gotta start playing my friends' music. It's a fortunate and unfortunate, half and a half not.
Privileged to have both, but some niggas ain't have pops. Whether present or missing, the love it wasn't sufficient. Ain't no one to turn to when you stuck in a bad spot. Nobody to cheer for you, just strangers and mascots. Make a nigga question his purpose above the surface. Cause he been neglected from birth like he wasn't worth it. He ain't even asked to be here, he hugging the back blocks. I'm just giving you my perspective and still the same. Some come from good homes and still following game. Another thing, some of our fathers' daddies felt it when they was kids, so they went and did the same. Niggas so numb to it, it's normal, they didn't change. We never really talked, or am I not picking his brain to search for something to gain? But I got to watch my pops grind to provide, and I ain't seen him once complain. Youngest barely get to live, streets raising niggas kids when you coming from where I'm from, where I'm from. Some be taking shit for granted till there's nothing left to give when you coming from where I'm from. Look, everything ain't what it seems, showing you ain't gotta fit in. A school of hard knocks, every subject had to sit in. You gotta work for it, cause nothing's ever given when you coming from where I'm from.